Hello guys, I'm here at the park here in Sharjah because why I went out now for because next week I go back home already in Dubai. So see, napakalinis, very clean, very neat. Look, see the fountain. We will go to the fountain. This is Sharjah guys. May magsingiro. May magsingiro guys. So we will go to other fountain. The first fountain. Okay. Then I will show you again another fountain. Look, oh my god, amazing. Ang ganda oh. Nako, maliligo na yata ako guys kasi mainit. Medyo actually basa na ako ng pawis guys. This is Sharjah Park guys. See the fountain. Not allowed to go near there, only here. Little bit far guys. So, ayan, just watch. See the fountain. Oh, ang dami rin dito nagdi-date guys. Saka marami ding bata na naglalaro. So ayan o, may nagdi-date. Yung nagdi-date guys, Pilipina. Tapos ibang line yung kadate. God, can I go there to vlog there? It's allowed? Okay. Nag-ask pa tayo ng permission sa guard kung pwedeng lumapit doon. So pwede lang. Okay guys, thank you for watching Rose the Melody vlog here. And in Sharjah Park guys. Thank you.